Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malvika. Today I am here with the recipe of banana muffin, especially for the kids. Here are some ingredients which we require to prepare it. I have 1 cup of maida, 3/4 sugar and half cup milk, raw milk or boiled milk, you can also use that. I have added 2 spoon maida and some vegetable oil in it, and I have mixed it well so it's look like butter. We are going to grease this tray by this mixture and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And I have mashed 1 banana. I have added 3 spoon of ghee into the banana and whisk it well. Now we will add sugar to the mixture. Whisk it well. Now we will add 1 cup maida into the mixture. Whisk it well. Or you can use grinded sugar. Now we will add egg to the mixture. If you want eggless recipe, you can use half cup of curd. Now mix it well. If you have tight mixture, so you can add some milk. Now mix it well. Mix it properly. Now we will add 1 tablespoon baking powder to the batter. We grease our tray by the greasing mixture which we have prepared by adding 2 spoon of maida and 2 spoon vegetable oil. There is one important tip. When we are preparing this recipe, we need to on our OTG for preheat at least for 10 minutes. It's really important. Spread the mixture evenly all over the tray. If you want, you can add few drops of vanilla essence. If it's not important to add, it's totally depend on your choice. Why I am saying we need to preheat the oven? If you not preheat the oven at least for 10 minutes on 180 degree temperature, your muffin or cake can be flat. Now we will add batter to the tray, or if you have different containers or any design container, you can use by your own choice. Pour the batter into the tray properly, evenly. Now we will add our tray into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Let's them cook. Now we will check it's baked properly. We will check this with the help of clean knife. It's our knife come out clean. It means it's baked properly. Yay! It's baked. Now keep out our tray from the oven. Now we will decorate our muffins. But whatever you have at your home, you can use. Jam, fruits, choco chips, any chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup, whatever you like to use, you can use. Just spread the jam or syrup evenly all over the muffin. Or put some slices. Banana muffins are ready to eat, and we have decorated from some fruits and jam. You can try by your own in your style. You can give them your child or for anyone, serve them in breakfast or evening snacks. It looks delicious. I hope yummy too. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Stay connected, keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you all.